This video is sponsored by Foundation Devices. You can become a sovereign individual with the Passport Hardware Wallet and Envoy mobile app. Use the code RUNWITHBITCOIN to learn more about Passport and Envoy. Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin.
Hi, good morning. This is day 201 and I'm off to some area near Kendu Bay because there is a person that accepts Bitcoin. It's a really small town. This is my last day in Kenya. And now we are on the highway. This is so far, man. We came all the way, like almost, it took me what, 2.5, 3 hours.
Yes.
From 7 o'clock, yeah, I left. Hi, how are you guys?
Yeah, we have Bitcoin there.
How are you
These are
guys?
our gamers. Some of the gamers. They are gamblers actually.
Jumbo. Nice.
I've been trying to convince people about the crypto, but they think it's a Ponzi scheme, like other Ponzi schemes there.
Nice.
But to the few that understand,
I have a question.
yes.
Do you accept Bitcoin here?
Yes, in our pool launch here we accept Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Yes.
Since when are you into cryptocurrencies?
Okay, actually I knew about cryptocurrency 2016 when I was in my second year at the University of Maseno.
Okay.
And since 2016 I started investing now in Bitcoin.
Why do you have Bitcoin?
I have Bitcoin because I believe in cryptocurrency and I really know the future of money. And the future of money is now moving from the centralized systems to the decentralized systems. And the coming up of blockchain and the AI technology, I really see Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency.
Are you the only one person that accepts Bitcoin, or is there anybody else in the community?
In the community, we are few actually who accept Bitcoin in the institution. Here we run this pool, and also my brother is a doctor. At his pharmacy, he accepts Bitcoins.
Here?
And other, yes.
Oh, okay.
Though is some 3 kilometers at
Awesome.
a place called Homa Hills.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
Welcome. He opened the account with the Trust wallet, and also he had some Paxful account.
Okay.
He is in Paxful. Hillary is in Binance wallet.
Now we are off to, what is the plan?
Now we are going to Homa Hills to meet my brother, who is also a cryptocurrency enthusiast.
Okay, nice. This is so big. Okay, Asante, bye guys. Take care. He'll teach you more about Bitcoin, so you'll learn something. And good luck with gambling. Bye, Asante.
This one are from Kisumu.
I've never seen something as called coughing zone. Like.
My name is Joel. I'm a Kenyan. I work here. This is my working environment. It's an hospital. I'm a doctor.
Okay.
Though diploma, so I'm a pharmacist.
Okay, nice.
The lower level.
Nice.
Okay.
And do you accept Bitcoin?
Yeah, I do.
Since when?
Since November 2021.
Okay.
I got it from Instagram and then I went through it. I downloaded this app called Binance.
Okay. Why do you use Bitcoin?
Okay, it is acceptable globally. So you can get payments from US, Europe, Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I got into it. I wanted to receive, there's a friend of mine in US, so he told me to get, there's something called trading.
Okay.
So I was getting into it now, just been lining through it.
Okay. So brother, thank you so much.
Thank you so
See
much.
you.
Yeah, see you
Let's
soon.
go.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
Oh, we saw somebody. He's not at his place, but it's okay. Came to know that it's more about trading.
Yeah.
But he's gonna teach them more about Bitcoin now.
Yes. So guys, we are going to the hot spring.
Nice.
We are going to see the foot of Homer Hill.
This is, how is this? This is hot? Oh, this is hot. Fucking hot. 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 What happened? Okay, Yalla, we'll go. Let's go. So this is me paying him for the pool and finally off. Scan. Send now. Sent. Okay. Awesome. Alright man, thank you so much. Take care and be honest to people and don't get them onto shit coins.
No shit coin.
Okay.